What's up, you guys? It's Simone Flawless back with another video. I am trying to upload a video of me cleaning up the other day. I was bloated, so I kind of don't want to upload it. I was on my cycle like the last day cramping, and I try to push myself as much as possible on my cycle whenever I'm not like screaming and crying and crawling up a freaking wall because the cramps are killing me. I just want to do a quick like clean up with me type video. That cycle kind of takes all the energy out of me. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I push myself on my cycle, so it's like your body's working like 10 times harder when you just want to lay down and rest, you know? And my cycle is completely different. It messes with like my blood flow in my leg, it messes with my moods, it messes with my mental, and it drains the crap out of me to lose blood, and I be like freezing. So I probably need to work on getting my blood flow back up, or taking more vitamins, which I have vitamins, I'm just not taking them consistently. So yeah, I just wanted to record this video real quick to let y'all know the video is coming. I'm more than likely gonna add it to this video, and you guys can just watch me straighten up some. I just straighten up the kitchen area for the most part, but I think I want to start doing more videos like that to bring y'all more so into my life on a daily basis as a single mother. But yeah, I'm so sorry that I did not upload a video last week. I tried to upload them on like a Saturday when I know y'all just chilling. Very transparent and honest on my channel, because I've never been the type to really fake it till I make it, and I don't have to do that with y'all because y'all my besties. Purr. Purr. This night I just finished cleaning my bathroom and straightening up my room, washing. Now I need to fix up my bed and relax, y'all. I'm gonna give me some rest, you guys. Oh, It's not clean. I put a chlorophyll shot in that water, so yeah. Ooh, it looks so good. You know it's gonna be good. Good.